I really wanted to thank everyone that has shown up to this workshop, participated. I, it's been fantastic because there's been just a very robust discussion, a lot of feedback from everyone here, which is just really, I think, what drives this program and will help drive the field forward. I'm going to be very quick. But I think one of the big take home messages that I heard from all of you today is that really the MPS models, and there's, quite a few that we talked about. And I think there was liver, kidney, different heart models that are really now at the stage where they're transitioning from technology development toward the application and use in larger regulatory decision-making processes. And we're trying to, build a bridge on how do we get there? How do we really make that shift from technology development towards use? And I think workshops like this are really a great way to help facilitate that process. And so I think, we'll continue to have these discussions. One of the great questions I heard during day one was for the technology developers, one of the great questions is what problem are you trying to solve with your MPS? And really focusing on not just the technology itself, but what does the technology try to solve? So I thought that was a really important point during day one. And then, of course, from an NIH perspective, we heard loud and clear that really additional engagements across stakeholders is really going to be vital toward making this transition. Engaging with all of our different partners across federal agencies, industry, different organizations that we've heard multiple times throughout the 2 days. And so I think that both these informal discussions, formal discussions, and then even helping to engage in additional training across these sectors for the different stakeholders to be able to communicate and understand what the needs are from the different perspectives. So I think that's something that a lot of the NIH staff, in attendance today can really kind of bring back and see how we can then help participate in that process. So I really look forward to that. And I just wanted, since I have a minute, I did want to say a quick thank you to CPATH, for Nick, Graham, Katrina, Samantha, all of the CPATH staff who has really done such a fantastic job collaborating with us in planning this meeting today. At NCATS, Pasley Hargrove Grimes, I don't even know where she is right now. Oh, thank you. She's been running around the whole time while we've been here for the last 2 days. She has done a huge lift on the NCAT side in planning this meeting. So thank you for all of your efforts. And thank you to everyone for just being here and really helping to facilitate these discussions and provide such great feedback.